Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we will see the answers for evaluation part from chapter 1 measurement of 10th refresher course model for science. First part, fill in the blanks. First one, the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance is temperature. Second one, the SI unit of mass is kilogram. Third one mole of a substance contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms or molecules. Fourth one, dash clock uses the periodic vibrations occurring within the atom, that is atomic clock. Fifth one, luminous intensity is measured by photometer. Or one more answer, luminous intensity meter. Luminous intensity meter. Sixth one, heat energy given to a substance will increase its temperature. Seventh one, meter is unit of length. Next, second part, choose the correct answer. First one, the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second is electric current. Option A is the right answer. Second one, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Option C is the right answer. Third one, the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. Option B is the right answer. Next, true or false? The SI unit of electric current is kilogram. This is false. SI unit of electric current is ampere. Second one, a physical balance is more sensitive than a beam balance. Yes, this is true. Electric current is measured by an instrument called ammeter. This is true. Fourth one, atomic clocks are used in GPS devices. Yes, it is true. Next, match the following part. First, match the following. They given physical quantities and their SI units. Length, its unit meter. Mass, its unit kilogram. Time, its unit second. Temperature, its unit Kelvin. Next, instrument and measuring things. Match the following. Screw gauge used to measure thickness of coins. Vernier caliper used to measure the diameter of cricket ball. Beam balance used to measure the mass of vegetables. Digital balance used to measure the mass of gold ornaments. Next, part 5. Answer the following questions. First question, how will you calculate Indian Standard Time, that is IST? The location of Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the reference longitude of the Indian Standard Time. It is located at 82.5 degree longitude. So this is the answer for first one. Second one, what are the scales of temperature? That is Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Next, third one, name the three hands used to show time in an analog clock. That is three hands, that is hours and minutes and seconds and. Fourth one, how many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? One time, that is one rotation. Fifth one, can you find the diameter of a paper using the ruler from your instrument box? Can't measure or can't find. By using screw gauge we can find. By using screw gauge you can find the diameter of a paper. That paper should be thickness, diameter of a paper. We can't find, by using screw gauge we can find the diameter of a paper. Thank you students.